Hello everyone, welcome to Ratan IT, and in this video session we are going to see the CSS forms. So to the forms, how I am going to give the style. Now we are going to see. So first go to the HTML page, and in HTML page I am going to write the first HTML document. So first HTML document, what input to the form elements we are going to use, right? So form, and just close this form, and inside this form have input type is equal to text, type is equal to text, and just close this. And here for our considerance I am going to write the name. Okay, name, and name of type is input, type is text, like that. And just close this with br tag, and we are having another password. Okay, password I'm going to have the input type, input type is equal to its of type password. Okay, and just close this and close even the in the next line have some email, and just input type is equal to its email, right? So email, and now just close this and even close the br even. Okay, these are of types. Even also we are having some buttons, right? So for that buttons we are having input type is equal to button, and value is equal to that button is click me. Okay, that value, and I'm going to close this. Okay, this is all about. And we are going to style the input fields, right? So to give the input, to style in each and every input, just I'm going to style in the way using a CSS. Okay, just to close the style tag. Inside this style tag use everything for the inputs here. Okay, everything for the inputs. Okay, and in this input whatever the code is writing, that belongs to the input. Okay, here in this input, so width I'm going to give 100 percentile. Okay, like that. Just save it, and input will only select text type, or if you are giving complete input it will take all the inputs. Okay, just go where you have been saved this program and just run the program. Okay, you will see a name with a 100% text box, or if you want you can also have only 50%, only 50% or 60%. Just save it and refresh the page. 50% also you can have the text box. Like this you are going to use the input width. You can also give special input elements to the type text and everything. Okay, let us suppose here I am going to write for input of attribute type will be text. Okay, if my value belongs to the text over here. Okay, and I'm going to give color red, background color gray. Okay, like that you can give even to the text. See here text is what it is there, only name, so this will related only to the name, and you will get a background color. Whatever the type you are going to give, that will be texted as a red color. Okay, that is what regarding the type and you can give the properties in this way. You can also give the margin and padding to the inputs, right? So if input type text is there, so to this type just add the width, just add the width 100 percentile, okay, and give some padding in equal amount, in equal amount, that is top and bottom, and for right and left give something else, okay. And you can also have some margin also you can specify, because it's a rectangular box, okay. And now you can also give the box sizing box sizing you can give the value as border box. In this way you can give the values, okay. Just save it. And now I already given type text to the 100%, so no need of this. Just save it and refresh the page. Now see here, you will get a text over here. Whatever you will type, it will be in red color. Or you can also make it font weight bold, and you can change the background color. You can change the background color to something else like green, and color to red, it's okay. And you can change the font size to 30 pixels, like that, okay. How much you want you can change that many, and that properties will be applicable like that, okay. This is about how to give the style to the input if it is in a type text, okay. We can also make the bordered inputs, like just give the, in place of all these things, see, suppose input I'm having a type is equal to password I'm writing for now. See, for password, okay, I'm just adding a border that is 2 pixels solid red, okay. And I'm going to give some border radius that is 5 pixels or 6 pixels you can give, or 7, whatever, okay. And now just see here, save, and see, border also you can get like this, okay. Even you can use this border bottom and everything with a bordered inputs, okay. And now you can also make this border none if you only want a border bottom. If you want only a border bottom, just change here, see, just change here, make this border none, no need. And border bottom just give the 3 pixels solid black, okay. Just give even the color, okay. Now see, you will get only a horizontal gray color line like this, okay. Whatever you type you can also make it as show, okay. This is about, and you can also give red color or green color like that border bottom, okay. Red also you can give, okay. And now you can also change the colored inputs, background color and color. I already given here, see here, you can give some different colors. And you can make the focus also, okay. We can make the focus, like just keep here the focus is a pseudo class, so fo CUS is the focus is a pseudo class. Just override here, then it will focus like that. Okay, it will only focus the things. Refresh, now it is normal. If you focus, then only it will be displayed like that. Okay, if you click over here, then only it will be displayed its all colors. Okay, that is what about the focus. We can also input with a background image or animated search like that. Okay, and we can also style the text areas. Okay, we can size the text areas. So for the text areas, just add a text area. Suppose I do having a text area here, text area, and I'm going to close this text area. And here for text area, rows is equal to 10, that is attribute, right? So I'm going to give some 10. And columns, that calls I can call, that are only 5, like that. Just save it and just refresh the code and see, you will have a text area over here. So just increase the columns, then 50, just 50. See here, you can have a text area like this. So I'm going to change this text area. I'm going to change the style of this text area. See here, to the text area, just write like this text area, and give the special stylings here. I'm giving my width 100 percentile, height 150 pixels, and you can have some padding. Padding I am giving 12 pixels with 20 pixels. And you can also add the box sizing. That box sizing you can give border box. Okay, border you can give 2 pixels solid, 2 pixels solid, hash something else code. Okay, and border radius can give to 6 pixels or 7 pixels. And even you can add some background color. Okay, background color I'm going to give some hexadecimal, that is F8. Okay, you can have the special property, that is resize. That means none. Just give resize value none. Now save it and just refresh the code. Okay, this is the way you can also give the resize borders and everything in a same element to the text area. Okay, the font is also changed in the text area. This is wallpaper side. You can also style the select menus. Let us suppose I'm having a select menu in HTML. Select menu is contains the select. Okay, and going to close this select, and inside this select we are having the option value equal to. Okay, so here country, and need to select the option values like India, like that several options are there. Suppose Australia, Bangladesh, Nepal, these are several select options are there. See here how it is first. See country, and we need to select this. Okay, so just option value will be like this. Just close this, and this is the code for the select. See, now just refresh the page. Okay, just refresh the page. Now I'm going to style this. Okay, now we are going to style this. So select menu, selector, just I'm going to give the values. I'm going to give the values width 100 percentile, and padding 16 pixels to 20 pixels for right and left, and for width also you can give like this, and you can also add the border none, and you can have the border radius to 5 pixels. Okay, and you can add if you want background color F1, suppose hash F1 like that. Okay, something else, and just select, and now see here. Okay, you can select in this format. Okay, you can select in this format option. Value you write here India, and just close the option. Okay, write Australia, and just close this option. Bangla, just close this option. Nepal, and just close this option. Save it and see now. Just refresh the page. You will see the Australia Bangla as the option values. Okay, in this way we can also style even to the select options. Even we can select to the buttons also. Okay, even we can select to the buttons. Let us suppose I am having a button here. I am having a button that is click me. Click me is my button here, right? So here in HTML, okay, see where I'm having this input type button, I'm going to keep after this. Okay, BR, and okay, to this button I'm going to write the style. Okay, see here in style input to the attribute type equal to button, okay. Here I am going to write, you can add if you want some background color, okay. That background color I am giving in hexadecimal 4CAF or 50 or 60. Okay, and you can add some border none, and color white. Okay, even you can add some padding 16 pixels, 32 pixels, right? It's a button. That is the reason I'm giving some large dimensions. Even you can make the text decoration none, text decoration none, and margin I'm going to give suppose 4 pixels or 2 pixels. Okay, cursor is regarding to the pointer. Okay, pointer, ter. Okay, this is what we can give. I can give background color, border color, something else. If you want, you can give all this. Otherwise, you can only use according to the requirement. Okay, just save it and see here. Like this button, you can give the background color, and you can also add border radius also if needed. Okay, if needed, you can add the border radius. Okay, 7 pixels, like. You can get even like this. Okay, this is all about even regarding the style of input forms. Okay, I hope you clearly understood this session, this practical session. And for more videos, please subscribe to our channel Ratan IT. Thank you for watching this video.